Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sumrit Hazra. Today I'm going to show you how to manage notification bar. So let's get started. So here's our notification bar, and here you can see you will get every recent notification at this area. So this is my recent notification. You can actually this is a suggested one, or you can manage your notifications. First, let's manage our notifications, and this will take us to system settings and notifications and actions tab. Quick actions: you can add, remove or rearrange your quick actions directly in action center. Edit your quick actions. Okay, you can pin or unpin anything from here. Okay, maximum you can pin, I think 15 you can pin maximum, and not more than that. Okay, so you can rearrange them also if you want, but I don't think that there is any need of this. Whatever, you can also manage them. Okay, next comes notifications. You can turn on or off your notifications in this notification bar. Okay, next comes to control times when you are do or don't get notifications. Try focus assist settings. This is out of topic. Okay, next comes notifications. Okay, let's turn this on. So here comes show notifications on lock screen. Oh yes. So reminders on the incoming VoIP calls on lock screen. I do not get calls, so this is unnecessary. Show notifications to play sounds. Okay, that's nice. Show me the Windows welcome experience after updates and occasionally. Yes. This does. Suggest ways I can finish setting up my device to get the most out of Windows. No need. And this, okay, this is also on. So I've turned this on, or you can turn off your notifications. However, let's turn this on. And recently I've shown you when I was turning on the notifications, this was off and only this was on. So it shows us suggestions. See, this is a suggestion. Okay, and if you turn this on, you will also get this. I should turn on my notifications. Let's scroll down and get another component. So it's long. However, next comes get notifications from these senders. Okay, so you can select the apps from where you want to get notifications. For example, I'm installing a game and I don't want to get any notification from that app, so I will turn off that notification. Okay, let's scroll down. Every application should be on. Yes, everything is on. Or you can sort by, you can change it, sort by name. This is one of my favorite games. Yes, every notification is gonna come. So nothing more in this notification and access bar. So let's continue. So if you want to delete this, you can just close it like that. Now then comes collapse. You can just collapse it. Sometimes you know what, you got so many notifications, and if you collapse it, you will get all of them by once. Right now I'm not having any kind of notifications, but what to do? Let's expand this. Okay, next comes this. I've already shown you how to manage this. I mean this one, you can change them like this. Yes. Okay, however, let's minimize this. Yes, you can change them, their position also, but not in here. You have to do in the settings. Then comes this location. In this location, you can turn on or off your location as you can do in your mobile phone. Then comes this battery saver. This doesn't work when your PC is plugged in, so I'm opening that. This is gonna work now. If you turn this on, your brightness will be automatically decreased. I don't need this now, so let's turn this off and turn my charging on. So this is now disabled as I have turned on my charger. Okay, next comes Bluetooth. You can connect your laptop simply with Bluetooth. Sometimes it's like you wanna play music with large sound box. That's a nice thing. So you can just go very fast and click on this, and this will take us to if you right click on this, right, so you can get to settings. You can go to settings, and or you can edit quick actions, or I mean to change it. Okay, like this same thing you can do with this in settings. Now see here, if you go to settings, this works with everyone, with every function. Okay, let's go to settings. See, this is taking us to another one, so we are not gonna going to any settings very detailedly. Let's skip this. So then comes night light. You can use this for nights. This will give a dark theme to your computer. Then comes mobile hotspot, and in this mobile hotspot you can turn on your hotspot with any other device, or you can make your device discoverable as, and you need a designated name. Okay, then comes airplane mode, and everyone knows this, right? Then comes Wi-Fi. That is very important to get connected with your internet. Nearby sharing. You can share anything with this. For example, in Honor, which is a company of phones and appliances, it shows Huawei share. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is called Huawei share, and that's like that here and here also. And then comes this all settings. You can reach to full settings at just a click. And then comes network. You can edit your network, or you can connect to any other computer, or you can even project your PC, or you can add VPN, focus assist, screen snip. Let's do with screen snip. Let's draw a line. This one. Okay, this is a small crop picture of our desktop. Okay, let's take this very small area. No. I think I have to put on this. Yes, no. Very small, right? Okay, it will be shown in this page. In this area, you can collapse now. It will show more. Let's close this. So you can manage your brightness here. Okay, and nothing, just more in this. So that was all for today. Hope you liked the video and learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I hope you have watched this much, so this means that you are liking the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So the video ends. Thanks for watching.